In this episode, let us learn to prepare a simple, tasty, fragrant, and most importantly, a healthy cold beverage at our homes. As the main ingredient used in this is green gram, this is a natural coolant for the body. It is called Muga Uddak in Konkani language. Uddak means water, thus preparing this is as simple as water. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first step in the preparation of Muga Uddak is to take 150 grams or half a cup of green gram, washing it thoroughly and soaking it for about 45 minutes. Please don't soak it for longer time. If you do so, the green gram loses its fragrance and Muga Uddak loses its flavor. After 45 minutes, let us add 200 grams or 1 cup of Jaggery to a blender jar. The measurement goes something like this. For every 1 measure of green gram, we take 2 measures of Jaggery. After adding the soaked green gram and powdered Jaggery, the next in the list is fragrant 4 green cardamoms. The next in the list is our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add a little salt, add water to this mixture, and then blend this thoroughly into a fine paste. Once we have ground all these ingredients, the final addition to this mixture is juice of 1 large lemon. After adding juice of 1 large lemon, the only thing that we need to do is to strain this with the help of a strainer. For the measurement of ingredients shown in the video, we need about 1 liter of water. Having said that, with the water used for grinding the ingredients, the total measure of water was about 1.5 liters. Dear friends, an important point to keep in the mind is to strain this at least twice. Doing so enhances the experience of consuming the drink Muga Uddak. After straining it thoroughly, let us cool it in a refrigerator at least for an hour. This is it, my dear friends. Simple, tasty, fragrant, and most importantly, healthy Muga Uddak is ready. If you liked this episode, do click the like button and share it with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.